Today marks the beginning of something truly powerful.
The energy is ours. We are shining today. Thank you.
At City Power's head office in Reuven, more than 1,200 young South Africans, aged 18 to 35 years old, have gathered with one purpose: to unlock their potential and step confidently into a brighter future.
My name is Mandla Masebe. The reason why I joined the program is just to basically understand what's going on in my electrical space, because I want to become an electrical engineer. So the reason why I joined this program was to basically give myself an introduction to the whole electrical engineering phase and the space itself.
These students are at the heart of a groundbreaking skills development program, a collaboration between City Power, the University of South Africa, Afric Training College, the Department of Labour.
I want to say to you, anything is possible. I started where you are starting today, and today marks a journey that you need to traverse, the journey that is yours, not that of your parents.
Together, they share a vision to empower youth, fight unemployment, and build a stronger, more resilient South Africa.
So how will this shape my future? I think it'll open doors for me within the company itself and give me the opportunity to learn more about the business and not what we see from the exterior, but actually learn what actually happens within the vicinity. So most importantly, how will it shape my future? By just giving me a lot of opportunities to change my life and better it.
For 400 of these students, this program offers hands-on training in vital electrical skills, from electrical engineering fundamentals to solar and gas installations, all the way to street lighting systems. Meanwhile, 800 participants are on a different but equally important path. They're part of a structured incubation program, learning how to start and grow their own businesses. They gain skills in business compliance, tendering processes, financial management, and sustainable enterprise development. This component is delivered by Unisa Enterprise and Afric Training College, providing mentorship and practical knowledge that goes beyond the classroom.
The most important moments for me was, number one, feeling welcome. We were really welcomed by the most polite people you've ever seen in your life. Meeting, and most importantly, meeting everyone that's actually behind the whole initiative. That was a very beautiful moment. So thank you so much to companies such as Unisa Enterprise, the Department of Labour, City Power, and everyone else that was involved.
To the students taking part, you're not just learners, you are the future, skilled, equipped, and ready to light up our communities and our nation. Your journey is an inspiration, proof of what's possible when passion meets opportunity.